Hey, you wonderful car count hackers, Matthew Lee here. I wanted to jump on this quick video. I literally just got off the phone with a shop owner, pretty much like you, and I gotta say that he's not having the best holiday season. Basically, he was struggling with car count, and you know that car count is basically your income. So he was struggling, asked me for, what's the one thing that I can do? What can I do right now to, get more car count? So the conversation sort of went along this line. I didn't want to give him just one thing. I wanted to be sure I over-delivered and give him two things that he can do. And this isn't just for the holiday season. This carries on all year long. Look, first of all, the number one rule of marketing. The more offers you make, the more you're going to sell. It's just that simple. It's the math. It's the Matthew Lee math. That's all it is. Make more offers and you're going to sell more. That's almost a guarantee. The other thing that, when I told him that, he said to me, yeah, but aren't people going to get tired of me? Aren't they going to start getting upset that they're being bombarded and stuff like that? And the short answer to that is no. Look, I just read a report the other day. The average consumer gets about 140 emails a day. That doesn't include other communication off other platforms like Facebook Messenger or anything like that. Oh, by the way, speaking of Facebook, subscribe to this channel. I got a new Facebook page being done. I had problems with the last one, so I hired some people to build me a new Facebook page. So you're going to want to go there. But back to the shop owner. The average customer sees 140 emails a day. What about direct mail? What about your competitors that are out there in the marketplace dropping postcards and things like that? I mean, there's all kinds of things going on. So in order to overcome that, I told them simple, wrap it in an excuse. What's the excuse? Well, first of all, there could be 100 different excuses. But in view of the fact that we're talking about this right in the season, you might say something to the effect that, hey, I'm writing you this offer because I'm just overwhelmed with the holiday shopping. The shopping malls are bummed out and crowded, and I can't get a parking spot and all that stuff. So I'm sending you this kick butt offer because you're probably suffering the same thing. And, couch it in something, but it's not necessarily just for the holidays. But you can pick any holiday. Look, I'm going to see if I can get the link down below. There's a website that lists virtually, hundreds of strange holidays. But if you want to stay more mainstream, there's always Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day. There's Halloween, there's Black Friday. It goes on and on and on. I maybe even missed a few of the big ones there. I'm just doing this, right off the top of my head. But make the offer and wrap it in an excuse. So there you go. The best way to grow your car count is, number one, make more offers. The more offers you make, the more you're going to sell. It's just math. And if you think or you're concerned, and you won't do this, but if you're concerned that you're going to overwhelm your list, wrap it in excuses. Do it for, in a way that you're making an excuse why you're doing this. In the meantime, I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and tickle that like button and feel free to share this with a shop owner that you feel will get some value out of this. If you think you want to implement some of these strategies in your own shop, go ahead and down below, ask the Car Count Fixer, drop me a message, and let's get on the phone and talk about it. Make sense? And the only other thing you have to do now is, I don't know where the subscribe button's going to be on this screen. Go ahead and subscribe and be sure you ring the bell icon. That way you'll be the first to know every time I upload new videos. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. By the way, when we're talking about offers, what I want to do is, I'm not sure whether you got this or not, but I'm going to put a link, new camera. I'm putting a link here to my cheat sheet on how to create kick butt offers that sell. Look, this is a one-page download, and it's a fill in the blank. Just follow the 3-step instructions, and you'll start to create kick butt offers that sell. Just remember, after you do that, wrap your offer in an excuse why you're doing it. Go ahead and knock them dead. Talk to you soon. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer.